Are you ready to elevate your aerial photography game? Today, I'm diving into the M10 drone, a professional foldable quadcopter that's set to blow your mind. First up, let's talk about that camera. This beast boasts an 8K camera, delivering crystal clear images and videos. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or epic action shots, the M10's got you covered. One of its standout features is the 20-kilometer range. That's right, 20 kilometers. You can explore further and capture more without worrying about losing connection. Now let's tackle obstacle avoidance. The M10 has all-round scanning intelligent obstacle avoidance, which means it's constantly analyzing its surroundings to avoid collisions. Perfect for those tight spots or tricky terrains. Worried about stability? The optical flow positioning hover ensures your drone stays steady, making it a breeze for novices. Plus, with one-click takeoff and landing, handling this drone is a walk in the park. For the creative minds out there, the M10 offers HD multi-shot capabilities. Slow movements while using the camera can achieve super stable shots. It's all about those smooth, cinematic captures. Feeling adventurous? Dive into its navigation and automation features. With GPS positioning and flight path planning, you'll boost your aerial photography's efficiency and accuracy. Don't forget to master some advanced flight techniques. Practice hovering stabilization, inverted flight, circular flight, and motion tracking. These skills will take your footage to the next level. High-quality shooting is all in the details. Focus on image processing and labeling, perfect for pros crafting 3D models or maps. But hey, if you're a beginner, start simple. Learn the basics like takeoff, landing, ascent, descent, and turns. Ready to unleash the power of the M10 drone? Hit the link in the description to grab yours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.